Today I'm reviewing Cliganic Eucalyptus Essential Oil, a must-have in any essential oil collection. What makes eucalyptus essential oil so special is its wide range of powerful natural properties. It's especially known for its refreshing, clean scent with a hint of camphor, a clear sign of its potent effects. This oil stands out for its ability to support respiratory health, clear sinuses, and promote easier breathing, making it a go-to during allergy season or when you're feeling congested. It's also prized for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which make it useful in everything from soothing sore muscles to freshening up your home as a natural air purifier. Whether you're using it in a diffuser for steam inhalation, a nose inhaler, or as part of a massage blend, eucalyptus essential oil brings a crisp, invigorating energy that sets it apart from other oils.
Cliganic eucalyptus essential oil is also a favorite in DIY projects like candles, soaps, and bath bombs. Its fresh, uplifting scent adds a spa-like quality to handmade items, making it perfect for gifts or personal use. In candles, it creates a clean, calming atmosphere that helps clear the mind and ease stress. When used in soaps and bath products, it leaves skin feeling clean and revitalized.
A little goes a long way, and the results are both therapeutic and luxurious. I highly recommend this product and have placed the shopping links below for your convenience. I give it 5 stars.